Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we have another Funko Pop figure right here from the Dragon Ball Z Saga. This is a 6-inch figure, and this is the legendary Super Saiyan Broly limited edition Glow Chase variant. And we will be taking a look at this one right here after the intro.
Oh yeah.
So as you can see right here on our legendary Super Saiyan Broly figure right here, the iconic blonde hair for Broly right there, and there are energy signatures right here as though he is really powering up, right? On the hair, down here, and on the entire body right there. On the back of the hair right here. So those are all Broly's energy signatures because he is powering up on this state. And yes, of course, normally Broly doesn't have any shirt, and he has this white and red robe right here with all the gems, of course, on the neck, on the waist, and on the shoes right there. So Broly is rocking his gold shoe right there with, of course, red accents. This is again a 6-inch special edition figure, and this is a limited edition Glow Chase version. Okay, so you're not seeing double. You really have two legendary Super Saiyan Broly figures right here. The one on the right here is a special edition regular version, and this is the limited edition Glow Chase version right here on your left. So they basically have the same pose, they have the same hair, they also have identical energy signatures all over them. The green part right there, the eyes are identical, and their clothes. But if you look closely on their energy signatures right there, this one right here on your right has more of a transparent green color in terms of the energy signatures, and this one is more green opaque in color, because this one is our limited edition Glow Chase version right here on your left. So that's the main difference that we can see up front for both our figures right here. So again, we have our limited edition Glow Chase edition legendary Super Saiyan Broly right here, number 623, and we have mentioned that this is a glow edition because you can do this. There you go guys, hope you liked our quick unboxing and review of this legendary Super Saiyan Broly special edition limited edition Glow Chase version number 623 right here. And for comments and suggestions, please do not forget to comment down below. So please don't forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our Funko Pop videos right here, as well as our normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. But that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. いい試合になりそうだね。